So let's put a round of applause for the girls. Thank you. I think you need to relax because we are in that segment that you've been waiting for. So remember, in every sportsmanship, we can win or lose, but we don't lose hope. So whether you get the answer or not, you have to go to have the head to keep on and go to the next question. So you can select subjects randomly of the 10 subjects that we have on the board. So I will request you to select. So I don't know which group wants to go first. Okay, the boys, let's cross over to the boys section.
History.
Boys have selected history. What is the primary ideological difference between the USA and the USSR? A, fascism versus democracy. B, capitalism versus communist. C, monarchy versus republic. D, imperialism versus nationalism.
Capitalism versus communism.
Yeah, that's correct. The boys have gotten that one. They have 5 points. Let's cross over to girls. Select a subject, please.
Bio.
They've selected biology. Which cell group does not possess a true nucleus? Eukaryotes, prokaryotes, plants, and animals. Yes?
Prokaryotes.
Yeah, that's correct. 5 points for the girls. Okay, we cross over to the girls. Okay, dash is a negatively charged particle of an atom. Electron, proton, neutron, particles. Yes?
Electron.
Electron. Yeah, that's correct for the girls.
English.
The boys have gone with English now. Which of the following technique could be used? I think
Chemistry answers.
okay. It's okay. I think you could go ahead and answer that, please. Yes? Yes.
Chromatography.
Chromatography. Okay, that's correct. Sorry for that mix-up. I think the boys, you two came. Okay, the girls?
Math.
Math? The simplified form of minus x minus 3y plus 7x plus 6y is 6x plus 3y minus 6x minus 3y minus 8y minus 9y 6x plus 9y. Six x plus 3y. That's correct for the girls. 5 points awarded. Boys, can you select a subject?
English.
Yes?
English.
ICT.
What is the main purpose of RAM in a computer system? A. To permanently store files and programs. B. To control input and output devices. C. To store data correctly being used by the CPU. And last but not least, to provide internet access.
To store data currently being used by the CPU.
That is correct. 5 points for the boys. Okay, we cross over to the girls.
ICT.
ICT. Which of the following is an example of secondary storage? Cache, register, hard disk drive, and RAM. Yes,
Hard disk drive.
hard disk drive. That is correct for the girls. Okay, so far the girls have answered 5 questions and the boys 4. Yes, boys. Can you pick a subject? Okay, thank you. We will now proceed with the remainder of the questions. For those who are coming, the girls, we still have chemistry, we have geography, history, Arabic, Somali, and Islamic. For the boys, we have Islamic, Somali, Arabic, English, we have geography, and biology, and math. Okay, now let's move to the boys. Can we pick a question? Yes,
Somali.
Somali.
Barkabir. Number 1. Yeah.
That's correct for the boys. 5 points. Let's cross over to the girls. Somali. Yes. That's correct for the girls. 5 points. Okay, now we move to the girls section. Okay, we move to the boys. You still have geography. For English, we'll give you the question. Geography. What is the main source of the river called? Confluence, mouth, tributary, or source?
Easy question.
Source.
That's correct. Okay, since boys, one question was not entered correctly, we will read it for you. To the audience, this is the question, English question for the boys. Which of the following is not an adjective? Now, this is the question. We read it as it was given. Which of the following words is not an adjective? The first one, brilliant. That's A. B, concerned. C, happy. D, hurriedly.
Why is he
A, brilliant.
okay?
B, concerned.
Concern. Yeah, repeat B.
B is concerned. C-O-N-C-E-N-N-E-D. Concerned. Then happy. And last but not least, hurriedly.
Ah.
10 seconds. Yes.
Hurriedly.
Hurriedly. I think that's correct. Hurriedly is an adverb. That's correct. Okay, now we're going to go to the next segment, which is head to head. We will have these things lowered and you will come. So prepare 6 people. Those on the stage as well will be allowed to participate and the crossfire segment. So you can leave the stage and let your group be ready, please. Now, only press. Once you press, you have only 5 seconds to answer that question. So I want you to listen carefully to the questions that we will ask. Okay, this is a geography question which will go first. Geography question. This city is uniquely located on 2 continents, and it was the headquarters of Ottoman Empire. Yes,
Istanbul.
is that correct? 2 marks for the boys. The second group, this is an ICT question. In computing, what does CPU stand for? Yes? First?
CPU.
Yes.
Central Power Unit.
That's wrong?
Yeah, that's wrong. Can I
Yes? For 1 mark?
Central Processing Unit.
Yes, 1 mark for the boys. We have a chemistry teacher at the door and we can't let him go without his question being asked here. What is the chemical symbol for the element gold? Yes? Yes?
Ziryu.
Yeah?
Ziryu.
Yeah?
Ziryu.
Wrong? Wrong. Yes? AU from the audience. 0. No, it's not awarded. Yes, it's okay. Thank you, boys, but the point is not awarded to either of the team. Yeah. Okay. The next group team. I think I can see some of colleagues here. They love math. We all do. So this is math. In geometry, what is the name for a polygon with 7 sides? Yes?
Hexagon.
No? No. Yes? Heptagon. So that's, no one gets that. Heptagon. The next group. Okay, let's go to literature. In literature, what is the term for the main character of a story, often as a hero? In literature, what is the term for the main character of a story, often the hero? The main character in a story who is regarded as the hero. In literature, what is the main term for the main character of a story, often referred to as the hero. Yes?
Picture.
No? From the audience? Yes. Protagonist, yes. Yeah, and for the audience are very active, although we don't award the marks for that. The audience are. The last one, Mr. Isaac, we won't leave here without getting to know whether these students know something to do with geography and science. Now, this is the last question. The last question. Which planet in our solar system is known for its prominent and visible ring system? Yes?
Saturn.
There, that's 2 marks. Thank you for that. That marks the end of the competition. So just give us a minute to do the tally, then we will let you know who the winner is. So boys and girls, we've now reached the end of the competition. First and foremost, I would like to thank all the participants for the dedication they've shown in answering the question. It's now my pleasure to announce the winner. At position 2, the girls have 25 in the first segment and 2 in the crossfire segment, so they have a total of 27. The boys, on the other hand, have 30 in the first segment and 3 in the second segment, bringing a total of 33. So the winners of today's participation and competition are boys 9A 33 and 9B 27.